my channel Madhvi's Culinary Art. Creamy tomato salmon pasta is the great way to show off what a home chef you are. It is a simple yet impressive recipe for your kids and family at weeknight. So let's get directly started with the recipe.
To start with, boil the water first and then add penne pasta to it. I have used your penne pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. Till pasta cooks, we will season our salmon fillets with black pepper, some salt, and chili flakes. We would season our salmon on both the sides. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the frying pan, which is kept on medium heat. Now we will start adding our salmon fillets to the pan. We would fry the salmon fillets till they turn golden brown. This would take around 2 to 3 minutes for salmon to fry on each side. Meanwhile, we can check on our pasta. Our pasta is almost cooked. To check if our pasta is cooked, cut it with the knife. It should cut through easily. Now we would drain the water from our pasta, run it under cold water to stop the cooking of pasta and keep it aside. Now we would flip the salmon to fry it on other side. As you see, our salmon has turned nice golden brown in color. We will remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now comes my favorite part, to cook the tomato sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of butter in the same pan. Add 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Let the garlic cook till its flavors are incorporated into the butter. Then add half finely chopped onion and fry the onion well till they are softened. Now I will add tomato puree. I have used your ready-made tomato puree. You can cook your own tomato puree at home and use it, or you can directly use the tomatoes, allow it to soften, get mushy, and then add vegetable stock to it. Now we would start adding the seasoning. Add some black pepper to it. Some dried thyme, and some oregano. Mix it well and allow the puree to cook for some time, for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now shred the salmon and add it to the puree. Mix it well and allow the sauce to cook for some time till the salmon is completely cooked through and the sauce comes to the boil. Now, as you see, our sauce is cooked well. Now comes the important part. We have to add 150 ml of heavy cream. This will help us to give a creamy texture to our sauce. Stir it well and cook the sauce for more 2 to 3 minutes at low heat. Now if you see, our sauce has got a very nice creamy texture and it is now ready. We will take it off the flame. Now take a saucepan and add our pasta to it. Then we would start adding our creamy tomato sauce. Now stir the pasta well till all the pasta is soaked into the sauce. So now, as you see, our creamy tomato salmon pasta is ready to serve. We would start serving our pasta into a pasta dish. Now we would grate a generous amount of parmesan on it. And finally, to garnish, I would use coriander leaf. And our pasta is ready to eat. Wow, it looks so yummy. I couldn't resist on it.
So, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. During this lockdown, if you're bored, then this is the best recipe to try out and pamper yourself. Do subscribe to my channel, that is Madhvi's Culinary Art. Bye! See you next time with the new recipe, and till then, happy cooking!